On it
you
too?
meant like while we're playing, yeah.
Can we put a DS on it too?
Go for it.
We're doing Pregnant Shrek. First thing on the checklist, I gotta make so much fondant. I'm just gonna link the recipes down below. It's a 2-day process. This is definitely a 2-day process cake. Make the cake, chill it overnight, then carve it, and then decorate it. Nothing is planned. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, you know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. This is gonna be rough and wild. Yeah, we're gonna make a Pregnant Shrek cake. This is gonna be the grossest cake possible. We'll see. It's gonna be up there, though. 3 bags of marshmallows, powdered sugar, food dye, butter, cream cheese, regular sugar, eggs, flour, buttermilk, cocoa powder. Almost done for tonight. It's like 9 right now, but my cake is done right now, and fondant is all colored lovely Shrek green. I'm going to finish up for the night. So that's what we're starting with this morning. It's nice and firm. I'm gonna start carving it. The crumb coat was really rough. I was very tired. I think it's done.
Is it Pregnant Shrek?
Yeah. Are you happy? Is that what you envisioned?
Yes, it's everything I
Pregnant
ever
Shrek.
dreamed.
I'm glad. Birthday wishes come true.
God's little secret.
These actual
These fake lives.
Yes. Just add a touch of realism. Your face looks you look like you're in deep amounts of pain. Just like emotional trauma.
I am. I didn't expect it to be this good, actually.
God damn! Who fucking made that?
I did.
Damn, what the fuck?
Guys, we need a moment of silence. This cake is dedicated to Steph and Carl. Heads bowed in silence. Just a moment of silence, please.
Bye, Miles.
I want you to remove his face.
Oh God, dear Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna kiss it, I think.
What the fuck?
Birthday.
Jack. No.
Jack is not new.
Real girls.
I like waifu. Pocket waifu.
You don't want it or you want
Pocket
it?
waifu.
No, the graphics are so shitty in that. So, you're probably wondering how this came about. My friend Celeste, it was their birthday a little while ago, and we didn't really have that big of a celebration. Celeste asks me if I want to come to their birthday party, and I say, yeah, of course. And then Celeste says, hey, can you bake me a cake? Because I know that you like baking a little bit. I'm like, yeah, of course, I'll bake you a cake. So I asked them, how do you want your cake decorated? And my friend says, Pregnant Shrek? Question mark? And I said, Pregnant Shrek sounds pretty good right now. The reason for the magical girl theme was we were looking at a couple fan arts and really getting into it, and then I found one And Shrek was drawn in an anime boy style. I said, hey, how do you like the vibe on this one? And my friend said, that's a good vibe. They wanted Shrek to be kind of like a magical girl so that we can make it even worse, because it's already bad. How can we make it worse?